This case describes the strategy map for the sales department inside of a large transnational semiconductor manufacturer. Overall, their financial objective is to optimize customer profitability. With large customers like IBM, Dell, Nokia, they need to make sure that they are providing the right services and pricing them appropriately to have a fair deal for both the customer and the organization. To do this, they need to work on their customers' requirements, which they felt fit into three categories. One is they had to help their customers understand and then begin to meet their customers' needs and objectives. And each of those customers obviously had a very different expectation from what they're going to be provided. To do this, they would support the optimized customer profitability objective. Now, underpinning C1 is, of course, C2, selling the right products. And the right products are the right products at the right time, at the right quality. You see, different chips are suitable for different applications, whether I'm running a printer or a computer or digital camera. So getting the products right is both going to help optimize profitability and also meeting the customer's needs. And in fact, this arrow has two heads on it, because not only does selling the right products help meet the customer needs and objectives, but once we understand and meet the customer needs and objectives, we can better sort out what are the right products for them. And then finally, they need to make sure they deliver the greatest value. And if they do that, that will obviously support C1, meeting their customers' needs and objectives. Now, C2, selling the right products, also supports delivering the greatest value. What are the internal processes they need to get there? Well, they fit them into the three categories from Tracy and Wismer: innovation, operational excellence, and customer intimacy. Under innovation, they talk about optimizing the demand creation and fulfillment cycle. The dilemma in this business is it takes longer to manufacture a chip than the typical order cycle time. So I actually have to begin manufacturing the chip before the demand is recognized at the customer. But if I can get that right, that's going to make sure I'm selling the right products. I've made the right batch, the right mix, and so forth. Under operational excellence, they talk about developing market-leading agility. And if they can build that agility, it'll help deliver the greatest value. And of course, I2, optimize the demand creation and fulfillment cycle, will underpin developing the market-leading agility. Under customer intimacy, they talk about understanding each and all of the customer segments. And if they can do that, that will underpin both optimizing the demand and developing market-leading agility. The enablers are aligning the organization structure and building a continuous learning culture. So this became the strategy map to describe their overall global sales initiatives. And the weighting in the current year looks a bit like this. They suggested that some of their core objectives were things like optimizing profitability, meeting our customers' needs, making sure that we're optimizing the demand creation fulfillment cycle, and finally developing market-leading agility. So this is a strong operational excellence strategy between optimizing the fulfillment and market-leading agility to underpin meeting our customers' needs to optimize profitability. Eventually, of course, they identified the performance indicators, and this was made available to everyone in the organization to help make sure that all initiatives and activities were aligned with strategic intent.